Well, this is not how I wanted the season closer and toy drive to go. We have bad weather. It's flurrying now, worse than it was earlier today. We're gonna go through with it and see what we get. We may have to collect toys for the rest of the week at Gost, or, well, to figure that out, we're gonna go talk to Daniel now. I just can't guarantee that next weekend is gonna be much better, or the week after that. I think we have to just commit, see what happens. I know there probably won't be as many cool cars, but hopefully we get some toys and some money for the for ShareFest and for the kids. I'm bummed, but we're gonna end the season on a high note, and we're gonna be appreciative for how far we've come, and for who shows up, and the community that is New Lenox Cars and Coffee. You guys are the best around. I know I say it, but I truly mean it. This has been one heck of a ride, and it's only going to get better. So let's head to the event and see what happens, and hopefully this stops and people show up. So I shall keep you posted. Yeah, I know I'm gonna go talk to Gost right now, and I shall keep you posted. And like I said, I think all right, let's see what we got cooking outside. This is not looking too good. And here we got the loyal OGs.
Gang's all here.
Gang is what's up, buddy?
How you doing? What's up?
What a bummer. We got a few people that went over there for some reason. That's okay. This is a real bummer. Alright, we didn't do a lot of POV here, but we got a couple cars left. We had some more. We had a pretty good turnout. Subaru is slammed with donations, so I'm really excited about that. I don't know if you can see it, but we are jam-packed with toys. The trunk is filled. I gotta look, but we probably have $300 in cash or very close to it. Despite the crazy weather and turnout, you guys are the best community around. I'm gonna have to do, once I can compose my thoughts, like a recap video for the year, and just to show my appreciation. But and I know this behind the scenes video is not gonna have a ton of stuff, so I might just make one video, but that's for me. I just want to say thank you for not only today, but for a wonderful season. This is the best car community around. I say it all the time, and I will die on that hill. You guys are the best, and what started as just a little idea to get out of the house and do some car stuff has evolved into something bigger than me and what I could have thought. I appreciate you. These toys will go a long way, and so thank you for a great season. Despite the weather, thank you for a great season closer and toy drive. I love and appreciate you. I hope to see some of you in the off season, and I look forward to season 7, which is also wild to think about. So you guys have a great day. Look at this. We are jam-packed, people. This is what it's about. We did a stopover at ShareFest. We're gonna get this unloaded, and that's gonna be a wrap to the season. And you put on a little dolly or something? Or you just want me to throw it in here?
No, I'll go grab it.
Okay.
We were right there. We were at the Miners and the Jewel.
Actually, I got some of these I got some Hot Wheels boxes that I want to get out of here. I don't know if you want to put that in a different box. For these, I want to get in here. Yeah. Old.
You know what? Today.
Oh yeah. Thought. Put that to the side. Go to the other side here. Trunk's empty.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I don't know what this is, but this is heavy. Alright, trunk is gone. There's that. Alright.
Right. You get a photo shot of that?
Yes. Alright, let me just something like this. This or this? This? This is a camera. This is all it is right here. So it does photo and video. This is just, you know, you could turn it around so you could record like, yeah. Yeah, it's got a little micro SD card. So the nice thing is you can, that's why I got it. And then it's just, it works well for the car show. So I use it for that now. Yeah. Oh wow. Yep.
I got a purple pack full.